For boat owners, the automatic bilge pump is a safety item. The rule: Jabsco/rule family. 12V automatic bilge pump with 500 GPH output is a common mid-size automatic pump many recreational boaters use. The product listing and manufacturer pages emphasize reliable automatic operation, electronic sensing, with manual override, an integrated strainer, and a thermal cutout/check valve in some models. This review is written for people who want a short, practical purchase decision. It's not a sophisticated installation, but it is a critical one for safety. A working bilge pump can prevent big headaches and real danger afloat. As usual, check the exact model and plumbing size for your boat before you buy. We share by links in description box. Performance and install notes. On the spec sheet you'll see a 500 GPH gallons per hour, capacity at 12V, and dimensions that fit many small to mid-sized vessels. The pump is fully submersible and built for continuous duty with an easy clean strainer that makes seasonal service easier. Installers appreciate the auto-sensing capability, no float switch to get fouled, and the manual override for maintenance. Users report reliable pumping performance but emphasize correct wiring, hose routing, and a correctly sized fuse to avoid failures. If you're filming an install segment, show the pump's footprint, the strainer removal, and the hose attachment. Those visuals help viewers understand fitment and common mistakes. Customer feedback, pros and cons. Reviews across marine retailers tend to highlight durability and reliability as the top positives. Many boaters say these pumps run quietly and handle routine bilge water well. Downsides: some buyers note that for heavy flooding you may need a higher capacity pump or a backup pump, and long-term life depends on proper wiring and maintenance. Summary advice: buy the correct GPH rating for your vessel, keep a spare fuse and hose clamps aboard, and check the fitment notes before final purchase. We share by